everybody, and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. This week I am planning in my skinny book. However, I wanted to show you the spread that I did last week for my my dashboard, and I just posted it on Instagram. And did I post it? Yeah, just on Instagram. Oh, I did do a short, I believe, for this. So I wanted to show you this. I was really proud of it. I downloaded this Irish Blessing from the internet, and then I had some paper that I had purchased, some shamrock paper from Joann's. I cut that out, and the rest of the stickers were from Whimsy Luxe. So I really enjoyed doing this, and let's get started on the skinny planner. So here we are. I know this is late. It's for the 13th to the 19th. However, it's just been such a crazy busy week. And my God, has anybody else been exhausted from this time change? It has. I've been exhausted. I've been just, you know, out of sorts. And with the weather changing so much, I'm using this tape. It's from the tape shop, the washi tape shop. So let me go ahead and put a couple pieces down. I may be changing this, but I wanted to see how they would go. It's not really the color of the green in these. I mean, it is kind of like some of the shamrocks and the pot of gold, but let's go ahead and try to put this down and see how it looks. And then also what I'm using is the colorful shapes. I thought I could pull some of these circles. And let me see. And then this shape maybe to help out with the spread. So let's go ahead and put this one down. Let's put that one down for Monday. Now, of course, these stickers, you can cut them up any way that you want to. Let's use this sticker, Luck of the Irish. Let's put that right there. That's cute right there. We'll put a little shamrock with it, right up here. There we go. And then I'm loving this little guy. Let's see, what can we do with him? Can we do something here or have him stand up against this? Yeah, I think maybe let's do it right here. And put him right up against it. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Let's, this says good luck charm. Let's see where we can put that. Let's get another circle. Now these circles are all different colors, but that's okay. Oops. I've had this book for so long. How about we'll put a circle over here since we have a big circle right there. And this will say good luck charm. Let's see what else we could put under here. Maybe we can put a couple of these shamrocks. Let's do this one. We'll do that one right there. We'll put that one right there. That's looking cute, huh? Okay, then we have, did we put St. Patrick's Day? Nope. We have St. Patrick's Day for Friday. Let's see what stickers we have. We have this one, but that's the same color as this. Let's see. we have a heart that kind of matches, well, kind of matches this color. It's a darker heart. We can put that there. We put our St. Patrick's Day right there. Okay. And we'll put this sticker right down along here. Okay, that's cute, I think. Yeah, I need to trim this. Let me see where my scissors are right here. Okay. And then we have to do the next few days. So on the 14th, why don't we do, let's see, on the 14th, we have a triangle. Let's see, I'm going to test this out. I'm not sure that I want to keep it the way that it is. So triangle. And then another triangle. I don't know that I like that so much. Maybe we'll just do the one triangle. So this time change, whew, it has really taken me for a loop. I was exhausted. Let's see. Let's do one of these. So let's do, I like this little shamrock border, or like, let's see if I can get that off. Is that straight? No, I don't think so. Are you guys doing anything special for St. Patrick's Day? I almost said the 4th of July because I was looking at the 4. That's not straight either. My day will be spent working and then probably spending the evening cleaning the house. Actually, let's put these shamrocks right here. I think this would be cute. And then this one says lucky. Let's put that way and this that way. This says March 17th. And is it like an, I know it already says the 17th here, but I don't know, should we put that like that or just do that, cover that up? I don't know, it kind of looks cute right there, but it makes no sense. Why don't we just put it down here? Does that make even any more sense than the other way? Okay, I have this guy. Let me see if I can I'll just use this guy right here. And then did I use Good Luck Charms? I used Luck of the Irish, and I used Lucky right here. So, and then these are shamrocks. Let me see. Maybe we can put a box or something here. since this is a dark green and it matches that, and this is that color, I'm going to go ahead and put this here. We can use that. And then I think I want to use my markers. Let me see if I can find markers to just highlight these dates. So just 1 second. Well, I'm looking at the markers, and these markers are just to, like, this is more of a Tiffany blue or a Tiffany, it's that Tiffany color. And then these two are blue. So let me see in these, I have this sage color. So let me see if the sage will work. We're going to make it work. Let's just do it first on the notes section. Yeah, it's not too bad. We'll highlight all of these. This is very simple, very easy, and it's functional. And you guys know that when I plan, I'm a white space planner. I cannot, sometimes, I mean, I absolutely love seeing the plans that people do that cover everything. But to me, I don't think that I could plan. I think it would distract me too much. So this is what I have. I have 2 more shamrocks. I don't know if I should save them or use them. Let's go ahead and put that one there. And then let's put this one right here. Yeah, or right there. I think maybe right here. So that's it. My Luck of the Irish, my St. Patrick's Day spread for my skinny planner. And I wanted to show you, before I finish, I wanted to show you that I had just recently picked up the pressed florals, and I bought two of them because I love them so much. So I wanted to show you what they look like. It's such a pretty book. They have these decorative boxes, and they have some functional boxes here. They have some sayings right here. And then we have smaller decorative boxes and functional boxes. And then some headers or some scripts. Their meeting, grocery list, appointment. I mean, these are so great. Today, errands, to do, remember. And then we have some washi. We have washi here. We have washi here. And then look at these beautiful florals. This is a great way to pull those gold boxes. If you don't use gold boxes like me, this is a great way to pull the gold boxes out. And then these are like a sage green. And these are paper. More paper florals. Let's see what we have here. More, and these are smaller. Then we have some red clear. It's more like in between a red and a pink. Clear florals. Some drawings. And let me see, is that, oh, that's just thick. More gold stems and flowers. Oh, look at these. These are purple. These are pretty, and those are clear. And then here we have some more. Those are so pretty. I think, what are these? I can't think. Marigolds. I think these are marigolds. Let's see what else we have. Oh, look at those. Those are so beautiful. I'm going to be doing a spread, hopefully next week, with some of these florals. Look at the pinks. These are all paper ones. And more pinks, smaller. Look at these. Pink is my favorite color. Those are so pretty. I just love the book so much. These are like an apricot and a peach. Very pretty and yellow. like a mustardy yellow and a pale yellow. Purple and lilac. Oh, we have these pretty green boxes. And we have blue, that real pretty blue. And then we have some for the sidebar. And then some appointment stickers. And then some writing. Believe you can, choose happy, embrace your own pace, sunset, chase the sunset, be your own sunshine. Aren't those pretty? Just bloom, seek beauty in all things, grow through what you go through. And then choose joy. Darling, you'd be different. Oh, you're different. And then free as the flowers and bloom, grow. And then we just have some little wording. And that's it. But that is such a beautiful book. And again, it's the Pressed Florals book. And I did pick up 2 because it was so pretty. I didn't want to run out of this book. So I picked up a second one. And that is it.